Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the cleaning modes, and I'll explain what they mean on your MOVA Z60 Ultra. When you click on the button in the bottom left corner, you can find either Clean Genius, which is the automatic cleaning mode. I won't get deep into that. It just automatically recognizes how much cleaning and with what parameters your home needs, changes it for each room separately, and you can set it to either vacuum and mop or mop after vacuuming, and you can enable deep cleaning. But let's get to custom, and there are 4 modes. Then there's also customize, we'll get to that in the end. Vacuum just vacuums. It lets you adjust the suction power. You can enable max plus suction power, which increases the suction power to maximum possible. It uses more power, so it may take more times because it will need to recharge during that process. And once you enable it, start cleaning, then after cleaning it will disable itself, so when you run the task again it will not run at max plus suction power again unless you turn it on again, because it takes effect only once. And you can change the route of how your vacuuming goes. You can set it to quick route, which will take significantly less time than standard, which will basically have a similar route, but it also focuses on the edges more. Then intensive will have a denser route, and deep may have it even denser and go through that path several times even. So that is the thing. Now mopping doesn't vacuum, it only mops, and you can change the mop wetness and the route as well, and the mop washing frequency. Now the mop washing frequency is the area or time after which elapsed time, for example, after which the robot will return to the station to wash the mop and then will continue. And you can set it to by area, and then set the area after which, after completing that area, the robot will return, clean the mop and continue. You can also set it to by time and set it to an amount of minutes of cleaning after which it will return, or the last option is to set it by room. And it means after finishing a room it will return, clean the mop, then go clean another room. And you can set it by clicking and set it to by area, adjust the amount of meters, by time and adjust the minutes, or by room, and it will just do it after each room. Now vacuum and mop vacuums and mops at the same time, and as you can see it combines the settings from these two options. And mop after vacuuming first vacuums the whole place and then goes around the whole place to mop it. And also it has very similar settings. Then in customize you can just set different settings for each room. So let's click on set, and then you can click on the room that you would like to adjust, let's say here, and I can, for example, set the route to deep. I can change the amount of cycles, which means that room will be cleaned multiple times. Let's do twice since it's a bathroom. And yeah, I can increase the mop wetness, for example. And then in the living room, let's decrease the mop wetness. Let's also set it to vacuum and mop there. But let's do intense suction power. And yeah, let's leave it like that. And now when it's set to this customized mode, then it will clean with the customized preferences. Or you can switch it back to, let's say, vacuum and mop, and the whole place will be vacuumed and mopped. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.